So we've got some cabbage and bacon happening today. Now, if you're doing a roast dinner or something, try this out and stick it on the side, serve it with your roast chicken, roast lamb, roast beef, whatever you're doing. Really, really beautiful. Or if you want, have it with some rice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of tomatoes, I'm using these little cherry ones, 2 cups of bacon, you can use a smoked or unsmoked, it's up to you. I'm using some rosemary today, some fresh rosemary. I'll tell you what is nice in this though, caraway seeds or fennel seeds, they're really good as well. And then our white cabbage, I think there's about 5 cups worth there. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a pan, skillet or something like that, a little wok like this. In there I've got 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use something different. Let's drop in that 1 cup of onion, the 2 cups of bacon, a little bit of fat on there, cut it into pieces. I'm now going to add some black pepper, nice big pinch or 2, and I'm going to add salt. Now be careful with your salt, depends on the type of bacon you've got. Some bacon is very, very salty. Okay, we're on an above medium heat, and I'm going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, and I'm going to be moving this around quite a lot. Fabulous. Now, if you wanted, you could have added some garlic in here as well. I didn't this time, but if you wanted, you could. So I've got some fresh rosemary here. Gonna get that in. And like I say, caraway seeds, really lovely in that. Fennel seeds, really good as well, I think. Then we're gonna go in with our cabbage. So about another 4 or 5 minutes. Stir fry this round, the cabbage will cook down. We'll take a look then. But yeah, really delicious. Fabulous. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's get that 1 cup of tomato in there, a few little kind of chopped cherry tomatoes. And then I'm going to add just a little touch of water, because so far we've been frying, we just want to do a little bit of steaming here. Let it go now for about another 3 minutes, and that's absolutely fantastic. Now if you wanted, instead of water, you're going to get some stock in there, some meat stock or vegetable stock, that's up to you. But I'm really happy, super duper, see you on the table. So there you go, steaming hot, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.